Hello and welcome. My name is Lisa, and I want to welcome all of my new subscribers because I recently got a big influx of subscribers, and I'm very, very happy about that. So, thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate you being here. For those who have been here with me for a while, thank you and welcome back. Thank you for your continued support because with these, with YouTube's algorithm, if we getting subscribers, if we getting returning subscribers, then YouTube uses that information to push your video out to more people so that, additional people can get the content that you're trying to put out. So thank you to all of my subscribers and to to the new and the ones that's been rocking with me for a while. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So in today's video, I want to talk about a video that I recently saw from Mr. Jim Rohn. I've been following Mr. Jim Rohn's content for a while now, and he's no longer here with us, but his words of encouragement continue to inspire all of those who hear his voice, and I am one of those that have been inspired by Mr. Jim Rohn. So in Mr. Rohn's video, he talked about 5 steps to go from average to fortune, but I renamed this video how to go from average to exceptional. Um, because it's, his context was to make money, and my context is just to get to a place where you are excelling in the things that you're doing, which could lead to a fortune. So the first thing that you need to do is get serious. And I want to correlate the growth of this channel to these 5 steps because honestly, these are the things that I did before I even saw this video. These are the things that I did that has helped me to get to the results that I've gotten to as far as this channel's growth is concerned. So the first thing is to get serious. Like, get serious about what it is you want to do. Like, don't play around with it, just get serious. So get serious about your goals and get serious about where you're trying to go. So, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can join the YouTube partner program, so that way I can actually, start to get paid for creating this content, because right now I'm doing it for absolutely free. But yeah, so the first thing is to get serious about your goals and where it is you want to go. If you don't know where you're going, then how you going to get there? If you get in a car and you are trying to go to the mall, if you're trying to go to the mall, let's say I'm gonna use Cumberland Mall for example on Kyle Parkway. I get in the car, I know I need to go on Kyle Parkway, but if I didn't know where the mall was, or where I was going, then how will I ever get there? So you need to get serious about setting your goal. The goal is to get to the mall, and how you're gonna get there. Just get serious about that. So that's number one. Get serious. And number two is get smart. Get smart simply means to study the material of the people that has accomplished the goals that you are trying to accomplish. So if you're trying to heal from a traumatic situation like a separation, if you're trying to heal from that, um, find out from other people who have been through that, study what they did, ask questions so that you can get to where they are, and that is in a space of being healed. So, number two is to get smart. Get smart by learning what other people have done to get to where you're trying to go. For me, to grow the YouTube channel, I saw that other people who have grown their channels upload regularly. So that's why I did the 14-day upload challenge to get me to my goals a little faster than normal, because most people do a video maybe once or twice a week, but I did the 14 days. So get smart and study what other people do. And number three is to get going. So put what you're learning into action. So get smart. You're learning from somebody else who's done it. Now you do what they said that they did, so that you can get the results that they got. So first get serious, then get smart, then get going. Meaning just do what they did. And then the fourth one is just get excited. Get excited about what you're doing. Get excited about the accomplishments that you've made so far. Even though you're not where you want to be, I haven't gotten to 1,000 yet, but I am excited that I've gotten to 400 because it has taken a long time to get here. So I'm excited about that, and I'm excited about the people who have recently joined me. And I'm excited about the people who've been here. Just get excited about your results. So that was number 4. And number 5 is his thing is to get Mr. Jim Rohn. His thing is to get away. Uh, In his video, he was saying get away and like put it aside and then enjoy yourself and your family. So continue to grow, but put it aside and then reflect on what you've done so far. So get away. Just get away from it. You don't want to keep constantly beating yourself up. It's okay to feel the hurt or the emotions that you're feeling whenever you're going through, your emotional state. It's okay to feel that, acknowledge it, but don't stay there. Okay? It's okay to put it down, understand what you're really feeling, but then get back to work to try to make sure that you are moving along and growing and getting to the place where you're trying to go. And that is to a place of healing. So that is number 5. Get away. So those are the 5 things that Jim Rohn says how to go from average to exceptional. I'll go over them again. Get serious, get smart, get going, get excited, get away, start over, do it again, repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another video that I saw from the name of the channel is The Wizard Liz, and I will link her video in the description below as well. So Liz was talking about because I saw this video maybe a couple of days ago, and honestly, my growth on YouTube had started. People started to trickle in, but after I saw the Wizard Liz, her video in a YouTube suggestion, that's where I found it. It started like growing exponentially, like it started growing a lot. Um, and I didn't even all fully apply the stuff that she said to do, but it's just something how that happened. So I'll link her video below too. And what Liz is talking about or was talking about was the power of your mind. And although I've studied this before, there's something about her video that kind of put it really into to play when it comes to the results that I've gotten here lately on my YouTube video. So she was talking about the power of your mind, and how the mind and the subconscious mind works together. If you ever heard, if you tell a lie to yourself long enough, you start to believe it. So that's the kind of thing that basically she's saying about the subconscious mind, about if you tell yourself something long enough, you'll start to believe it. So if you tell yourself positive acclamations and write down where you want to go, write down where you are trying to what you're trying to accomplish, then somehow those things will start to come into life for you. So I'll link her video below as well, because honestly, just a couple of days ago, I started looking at that video. Well, I looked at that video, and it started it started to work for me. So I don't know, maybe you can apply it too. Um, but anyway, so that's what this video is about today. It's about like setting goals and actually seeing results from the goals that you set, because it could be very, very disheartening when you set a goal and then you don't reach the goal that you've set. Then, sometimes it gets kind of, upsetting, and it makes you wanna quit. So yeah, so this video is about setting goals and actually seeing some traction from the goals that you set, because we don't want you to quit. We don't want you to think that it's not possible, because it's always possible. So that's what this video is about today. So if you got nothing else, just know that you can set your goals. You can go from average to exceptional. You just got to apply those 5 things, and just speak it as if it already is here. So that's my video for today. I'll put the link to the 2 videos that I referenced in this video below, so that you can see exactly where the inspiration came from for this video. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe and like the video. It helps with the algorithm, and more people who need it will be able to see this content. So once again, thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for any comments that you may leave. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye bye.